Enamored, expressing intense admiration in IELTS. Imagine walking into an art gallery and being completely captivated by a stunning painting, unable to look away. That feeling of being utterly charmed or fascinated is what we call being enamored. Today, we're exploring this powerful word that can elevate your vocabulary and help you express intense admiration or attraction in your IELTS speaking and writing tasks. Word type. Enamored is primarily used as an adjective, though it can also function as the past participle of the verb enamored. Meaning, to be enamored means to be filled with a strong feeling of love, admiration, or fascination for someone or something. It implies being captivated or charmed to the point of being almost obsessed. Word history. The word enamored has an interesting etymology. It comes from the old French word enamorer, which literally means to inflame with love. This, in turn, derives from the Latin phrase in amorem, meaning in love. Antonyms. Some antonyms for enamored include indifferent, disenchanted, repulsed, and apathetic. These words express a lack of interest or even a negative reaction, in contrast to the intense positive feelings associated with being enamored. Synonyms. Synonyms for enamored include captivated, charmed, enthralled, smitten, infatuated, and besotted. Each of these words conveys a similar sense of being strongly attracted or fascinated, though with subtle differences in intensity and connotation. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use enamored in sentences. The young scientist was completely enamored with the intricate patterns found in nature. Many tourists become enamored of the city's rich history and vibrant culture during their visit. She was so enamored by the novel that she finished reading it in one sitting. The committee was not enamored with his proposal and suggested significant revisions. Common errors in use. When using the word enamored, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. First, it's often followed by the preposition with or of, not by. For example, you would say, I am enamored of her intellect, or he is enamored with the idea, not enamored by. Another error is using it to describe mild interest. Enamored implies a strong, almost overwhelming feeling. It's not appropriate for casual likes or preferences. Lastly, be cautious about overusing this word. While it's powerful and expressive, using it too frequently can make your language seem exaggerated or insincere. To achieve a band score of 9.0 in IELTS, it's crucial to use sophisticated vocabulary accurately and appropriately. Incorporating words like enamored into your language repertoire demonstrates a nuanced understanding of English and the ability to express complex emotions and states precisely. Remember, the key is not just knowing the word, but using it correctly in context. Practice using enamored in your speaking and writing, and you'll be well on your way to impressing IELTS examiners with your lexical resource.